My name is Deepti. I am an international mathematics teacher with over 17 years of experience. In this video, I will cover the entire topic in details. So stay tuned till the end. Thank you. Now, today's topic is simplification of expressions. Simplification of expressions means order of operations basically. Okay, so we will learn the order of operations in this topic. Order of operation means whatever question is given in the then you have to check the order and you will solve always the expression with the particular order. Okay, so the Indian system, we have the order of the operation is BODMAS, BODMAS. What is stand for? BODMAS. BODMAS is B stands for brackets or parenthesis. B stand for parenthesis. Write down. Because both are almost same, but you know the some differences are there. Parenthesis. O stands for of. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. And parenthesis, when you see the parenthesis in your equation, now we have 4 type of parenthesis. Okay, so we had performed the operation inside the parenthesis first. Okay, then of, then division, then multiplication, then addition, and then subtraction. So you will follow the same sequence. While performing the operations on number, any type of number, okay, natural number, whole number, integers, fractions, decimals, rational number, algebraic expression, so the same sequence we need to follow. We have to keep in the mind of the order of the operations. In doing the operations in different order, we get different answer for the same expressions. So if you change the order for doing the operation, you will see the answer will be different. In the same question, if you change the order, if you solve in the different order, you will get the different answer. Okay, so in order to avoid this, let us learn the order of operation, simplification of a different parenthesis. Now see, I am giving one example first, then I explain the parenthesis. Okay, I am not giving the parenthesis question now. First, for example, question is 48 minus 16 divided by 4. Okay, now same expression, you will write it here. See the board, boys. Okay, see now if you follow the proper order, then you will get the right answer. If you not follow the proper order, you will solve the question, then you will get the different answer. Now see, 48 minus 16, if you solve first, you will get 32. 32 divided by 4, which is 8. Okay, so your this expression answer is 8. Now this expression 48 minus, first we are solving 16 divided by 4, which is 4. So your answer is 44. But do you know, because in this question there is no parenthesis, right? No, there is no parenthesis, or you can say bracket. Okay, bracket or parenthesis is same. O stands for off. Off is also not there. Division is there? Yes, of course, division is there. That's why we solve first division. Then multiplication is there? No. Then addition is there? No. Then subtraction we have, right? So we solve it. So this is the correct way to do the question. This is not the correct way. If you solve in the any order, see the answer. The answer is wrong. If you follow the particular sequence, then you will get the correct answer. Okay. So this is the difference of the order. So always we have to keep in the mind order of the operation. Okay. If you are not doing the operation in a expression, then you will get the different answer for the same expression. Because we follow the sequence, that's why this answer is correct. You are not follow the particular sequence, that's why your answer is wrong. So this is the now. So B stands for bracket. Nowadays we are using the word B stands for brackets. Okay. Or parenthesis, both are the same. Okay, there is no difference. Now we have should I write the parenthesis also? Write down the type of parenthesis, which sequence will follow for the operations. So first parenthesis is so the sequence is like this, you know, this in this first you will solve this parenthesis. What you call it? This is the horizontal line, we call it a line parenthesis. Or you can say that there is other name is base basket. Or you can say that vinculum. Have you heard this name? You heard the vinculum, I guess.
This is the first time seeing that sign.
Oh, so line parenthesis, you can say that base basket, or you can say that vinculum. In US, we are using this word. Okay. In US, we are using the vinculum. Okay. So always remember the name of the parenthesis. Now followed by second parenthesis. Second parenthesis is this one. This is the first. Then we'll use it this second. Then we'll use it third. Then we'll use it fourth. Okay. So first, whenever you will see the vinculum, first you will solve this part in whole the expressions. If this is not there, then you will do this second one. Okay. Now come to the second. Now I explain all four first. Then you can do any question easily in a particular sequence. So the second is this. What you call this? This is a simple
bracket.
Yeah, simple bracket. Or you can say that common bracket, round bracket. There are so many name. Why I am explaining all type of name? Whenever you will know this, simple bracket, common bracket, round bracket, and small bracket. The same thing we'll do it in the PEMDAS rule. Okay, P stands for parenthesis. There are 4 type of parenthesis as I explain it here. Okay, so this is the simple bracket, common bracket. So whenever in a question we have the we don't have the line or vernaculum, so you will followed by the, you will move to the this simple bracket. Okay, if this is not there, then you will move to the curly brackets. Now come to the third. Okay, this is called a curly bracket. Curly or one more name is curly. Curly is like a, only curly is enough, I guess. Curly is enough. Okay, so third parenthesis you will solve it the curly. Now the fourth is, now we'll do the question, then you will understand the this. O stands for off, as you know it. Off means multiplication. Now box bracket, this is called a box bracket, or other name is a square bracket. The shape is like a square, or big bracket, and the fourth is rectangular bracket. So different book use the different name. Okay, so I explain all type of names so that you will not confuse if you see any, if you follow any books and all. So always remember the line followed by this small, followed by curly, followed by square bracket or big bracket. Okay, so this is the sequence of the parenthesis. Now the second O stands for off, division, multiplication, everything you know it, so we are not going to that. Now the International PEMDAS is an acronyms that helps students remember the order of operation in mathematics. This is the, generally we are using this in the US and the international. So P stands for same, P stands for parenthesis. As we discussed, how many types of parenthesis, right? So I'm not explain again in this part.
I guess E stands for exponents.
Yes, yes. P stands for parenthesis. E stands for exponent.
M stands for multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction.
Correct. Right? Multiplication, division. You did it in the school, no?
Yeah, we did this in 6th grade.
Oh. But you did it better with the simple numbers, I think natural numbers. Now we'll learn with the different type of number. Subtraction, right? Any confusion? How many types of parentheses we have? As you know it, right? Square, curly, this, and curly again in this. Okay, exponent, as you know it, exponent is what? Exponents and power, right? So exponents comes under this category. Expression is grouping symbol like parentheses are simplified first, always. Okay, simplified first if this given in the question, then all the questions. Always start simplifying from left to right. Okay, the order of operation always help you remember to simplifying the expressions from left to right, just like you read a PEMDAS. Okay, PEMDAS. So always be same. Sequence must be same. Okay. So PEMDAS term is used mainly in the US, but in India and the UK we call it a BODMAS. Okay, understood the difference? Both are same, I mean only the words are different, but there is no difference between them. Okay, so the order of operations for brackets, orders, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is the same for both the rules. Understood? Understood? In USA we are using the term PEMDAS. Term is used mainly in the US. Okay, and but the India and the UK we call it a BODMAS rule. Okay, but there is no difference between them. Okay,
Got it.
now example number 1. First, as we know it, we need to first solve the according to the sequence. You will solve the parenthesis, right? This is your parenthesis. So 4 plus, first you will solve after parenthesis, and inside the parenthesis we have the exponent. So first you will solve it. So 3 times 2, 3 times 3 will be 9, right?
Yeah.
Now 4 9
plus,
times. Now first you will solve the multiplication. So 5 times 9 is
45 plus 2.
Correct. Then you will solve the parenthesis first. So 45 plus 2 will be 47.
Yeah.
And this is 51. Yeah, that's correct. This is the answer. Okay?
Yeah, I got that.
Same now? Very good. Now, in this, which part will solve it first according to the order of operation?
The division. The division part.
Then?
So it's 3. 9 minus 3 will be...
So what is the answer? Can you tell me the answer?
3. 3.
No. The final answer.
Yeah, the final answer is 3.
No, beta. No.
The final answer is 15. It's 15. The final answer is 15.
No.
Wait. Answer 9 minus 3 plus 6.
Now see, 9 minus, first you will do the division, right? So 24 divided by 8 will be 3. 3 times 2 plus 3. Now, will you solve the multiplication, right? So 3 times 2 will be 6 plus 3. Now, 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. Yeah, that's correct. So this is the simplified of expression. Okay, so PEMDAS rule in Canada we call it a BODMAS rule. P stands for parentheses and B stands for bracket. Both are synonyms. Okay, so don't worry about this. So in Canada we are using the PEMDAS rule. Instead of PEMDAS we have written it the BODMAS. Okay.
Wait, I thought they call it BODMAS.
BODMAS. Yes. BODMAS. Sorry. Yes.
I have the fourth question answer as well.
Okay, so BODMAS. So BODMAS is same like a BODMAS, or BODMAS is same almost like a PEMDAS. So basically all are same. There is no difference. Okay. So B stands for brackets in Canada. E stands for exponents. Exponents means power, right? Powers and roots, everything. E stands for exponent, or exponents means powers and roots. Okay. So I will explain the powers and root first, and then we'll do the more questions based on this. D stands for division, M for multiplication, addition, subtraction, as you know it. So the order of operation has this difference name in different country. Okay. The meaning of all is the same. There is no difference. Okay. Now come to the question. First, according to our rule, we will solve this parenthesis, right? So 32 divided by 4 is
8 plus 3
Correct.
times 2
So 8 plus 3 times 2.
2.
So 8 plus 3
So
is?
it is 11 times 2. That'll give you 22.
Correct. 22. Okay, so this is answer here. Now 58 is 58. First we will solve the parentheses. So 4 times 5 will be 20.
20.
And 3 square will be 9. Right? As you know it, the square. Now, what will be the next?
49.
You divide it.
Yeah.
58 divided by 20. I know.
So 58 divided by 20 will be 2.9 plus 9. Okay.
Yeah, so
No.
the 2.9 plus 9 is 11.9.
11 point?
It
9.
will be 5.9, not 2.9.
Why?
Where did you get it from?
No.
Yeah.
2.9 is correct.
Okay.
Okay.
I hope you are enjoying the video so far. If you find it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. If you have any query or needs practice question, please do let me know in comment.
Now, in the fifth question, first we will solve the, which parentheses? This one. Right? According to our rule. So 25 plus curly bracket, the remaining part you will write as it is. 3 times 6 is 18? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Now we'll solve the curly bracket. Curly parentheses. So 14 minus 18 will be negative 4. Yeah? Use integers.
Yeah.
Now 25 plus minus will be minus, then close the square bracket, square parenthesis. Now you will subtract it. 25 minus 4 will be 21. So 21 is your answer. In the second, you will solve first this fraction. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 9 over 3 minus 3. If we can simplify, definitely we'll do it. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 3 is 9. So what is the remaining part? 3 minus 3, which is 0. So the final answer is 0. Any confusion, boys?
No. That's
Now, in this question, first we will find this part, because here is the vernaculum and line parenthesis. So we'll solve this part. Remaining you will write as it is. Okay, so 15 minus 2 plus 4 will be 8. 2 plus 4 will be 6, sorry. So this is this, right? Now 18 divided by, again you will find this parenthesis first. So 15 minus 6 will be 9. And 81 divided by 9 is 9 only. So your answer is 9. In this, according to your rule, which part you will solve first? Off or division?
division.
Okay, according to the PEMDAS, 48 divided by 12 times 2 will be 24. So your answer is 2. Okay?
Yeah.
In this ninth question, which part you will solve first according to the rule?
Parenthesis.
Which parenthesis first we will solve? The smaller one? This one, right? Yes. So the remaining you will write 50 minus 40 minus 30 will be 10.
10.
The remaining you will close it. Now
So
after this will after this, which parenthesis will be solving here? This one, curly. So 70 minus 50 minus 10 will be 40. And now close it, the square. Now 150 minus 70 minus 40 will be 30. So your answer will be 120 final. Easy? Step by step we'll solve the parentheses and then calculation, and then we'll get the answer perfectly. Okay. Now this is the 10th question. Which part will you solve first here? Now the difficulty level is changed. Now we'll solve this part here first, right? The remaining we'll
7.
write it same.
7 minus 9. Or 9 minus 7.
9 minus 7. Okay, so remaining you will write it as it is.
It's 2.
Okay, so it's a 6
Yeah.
minus 2. Now again we need to solve the small parentheses, then it will be automatically removed. So 6 minus 2 will be 4. Now close your parenthesis. Now in the curly parenthesis you will see there is a 2 operation. So which operation we will solve first? Division, then addition.
24 divided by 4.
Yes.
6.
So 16
13.
minus the remaining part you will write as it is. 7 plus 24 divided by 4 will be
6.
6. Correct. Absolutely. Now 16 minus 19 minus 7 plus 6 is
13.
13. So automatically curly parenthesis will remove, right? Automatically removes. So one by one we'll use the operation and then see the 19 minus 13 will be 6. So your answer is 10. It's easy.
Yeah.
Now, so
Yeah.
follow the rule. Okay, you can use your PEMDAS rule, you can use your BODMAS rule, you can use your PEMDAS rule. Any rule you can apply, your answer remains the same, but apply the one rule always. Okay, not the sequence must be correct.
Yes.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like the videos and subscribe.